And I mean literally every manufacturer, the European imports, the Asian imports, all the American made, all of them are saying exactly the same thing. The warranty on your vehicle is void if you use anything besides OEM, original equipment parts, OEM, original equipment from the manufacturer. So we can't use a used fender, an aftermarket fender, a rebuilt bumper. Those all void the warranty. And the reason why is because these vehicles are literally high-tech computers that have wheels on them, literally, right? And so they're designed at a specific rate of speed once you have an impact. And that rate of speed that it's designed to collapse at is coordinated with the airbag system, as an example. And so faster than you can blink your eye, when you have an impact, the impact sensor for the airbag sends a signal to the airbag control module, and that sends a signal to the steering column to deploy the airbag. What people need to understand is if you use a different kind of part, it changes that timing. The rate that the vehicle collapses and the speed that the airbag is supposed to be working is very, very, very specific. And so if that airbag goes off early because it's been built with the wrong parts or repaired with the wrong parts, then the airbag goes off early, the airbag is going to deploy. And those that have been in an accident, airbags are like big pillows with vent holes on the side of it, right? And so when that airbag deploys, it instantly starts to deflate. So if it deploys too early, it's going to start to deflate and you're going to hit the steering wheel. If it deploys too late, you're going to start moving forward from the impact, and then the airbag is going to blow you back into the seat at about 400 miles an hour. And so, you know, the insurance company is going to tell you it's okay. These parts come with a warranty. They come with a warranty from the people that make them. They are not in alignment and they are not warranted by the car manufacturer.